Hi everybody, we're learning the first Hasbar. We're learning Gemara Kedushin, the first chapter, called Ha'isha Niknes. Ha'isha Niknet b'shlosha derachim. A woman can be acquired, her exclusivity can be acquired by a man for Kedushin, for marriage, b'shlosha derachim, in three methods. The konet atzma, and she can reacquire her exclusivity bishtei drachim, in two methods. What are the three methods that a woman can, her exclusivity can be acquired by a man? Niknes bekesef, she can be acquired, her exclusivity can be acquired with kesef, with money, bishtar, with a deed, ubebia, with intimacy. Bekesef, and the Gemara Mishnah wants to know, what's the minimum amount, how much money is needed to acquire her exclusivity? Beit Shammai omrim bedina ubeshava dina, with a coin called a dinar, or something of equal shaveh, equal value of a dinar. Beit Hillel omrim, Beit Hillel says, and they disagree with Beit Shammai, that the amount of money you need to create a good kedushin, a good marriage, bepruta ubeshava pruta, with a coin called a pruta, or equal value b'shaveh pruta. Rashi says a pruta is shel nechoshet, a coin of copper. Today we would call it a penny. And then the Gemara says, v'kama hi pruta, how much is the value of a pruta? Echad mishmona be'isar itakli, 1/8 of an Italian isar. An isar is an Italian coin, 1/8. So a minimal amount to create a kedushin with kesef in order to acquire a woman's exclusivity. The konet atzma, and how does a woman reacquire her exclusivity? Beget ubemisa sabal, through a divorce document or through the death of her husband. The Mishnah doesn't tell us that you required for a good kedushin, you also need 2 kosher witnesses. Now the Mishnah ends off with another topic. Hayevama nikneit bebia. A yevama, a woman who dies childless, she is called a yevama. How is the brother-in-law or the next in kin, how does he acquire this woman's exclusivity? His bibia, through intimacy. Vikonet atzma, and how does she reacquire her exclusivity? The yevama, bechalitza or b'misa sayavim, either through the procedure called a chalitza, which is a sandal worn by the man who's supposed to marry her, and she takes it off and spits into the sandal, or through the death of the yavam, or through the death of that man. Now again, everything has to be consensual. Both parties, whether it's in any marriage, has to be consensual. They both have to want to get married to the other. If one party is not in favor, they don't get married. Okay, don't forget to do your Hasbar and summarize.